in this video we're going to be changing our worktop. Now don't get me wrong, I absolutely love this worktop. I made it about 18 months ago and it's solid maple. Since it's been in, we've found a problem with it. Love the look of it, but it's just not practical in a camper van. I also made a table out of the wood as well. I'm also going to be redoing this. I also need to move this switch to a better place. First of all, I've got to take all this lot out. Right, that was a bit of a mission. But we've got it out, as you can see. Right, so once you've got your worktop off, place it on your new one. I've covered it up just so I don't give the game away of how it's going to look. Don't want to be spoiling the surprise, do we? Let's crack on. Right, all the bits, all the worktop are cut to length. Well, they're cut to a rough length and rough size. Just a slightly little bit bigger, so I can trim them down to size with the router, so I get a nice clean cut edge. Well, I haven't filmed much for you, have I? I got carried away. And I know I wasn't going to show you the worktops, but I can't do this without showing you worktops. So I might as well tell you now which one I've gone for. I've gone for a compact laminate. Anyway, as you can see, that's the worktop cut out. There's not a lot left of it. And I'm just sanding the edges, just sanding these edges along the front edge where it's going to get seen to get the saw marks out, and then I'll go around with a router to just round off these edges. Ow! Lovely. So I've done some electrical work. The hot water switch that was over there, I've now put it to here. Can't see now, I've just looked into the light. I see the light!
never really know
Right, on my 240 volt side, I've put ferrules on the end of the cables. Can you see? Little ferrules. And what they do, instead of it, because it's stranded wire and the van moves, it has a tendency possible to snap the wires over time, so putting them on just makes it a little bit safer, less likely to snap and cause a short out at some point in the future. Once I've done this, I can switch the power back on, switch the water on, test the plumbing, make sure it's not leaking, and then I can put the fridge back in, put hob back in, and basically build it back up. Right, power's back on. Servo's back up and running. They won't work yet because I need to switch this on. Just make sure that works. Yep. All power's good. Right, let's try the diesel heater. I have to put you down for this. Diesel heater's back up and running. Right, let's just make sure that we've got no leaks. Okay. Water pump on. All good down there. good down there. Hopefully that's the last time I've got to lift that lid up until that silicone's gone off. Everything's back up and running. But I'm having a slight problem with GoPro batteries. They're getting hot. So I don't know how much of the last lot I've got, because it corrupted the file. So I'll see when I come to edit it. For now I'm just going to have to turn it off, because I don't want this lot for messing up. Right, so you're ready for the big reveal of what it all looks like. Now it's all done and finished. I know you've probably seen the worktop as I've been doing it. I know I didn't particularly want to, but hey ho. Can't cut worktops without showing you. And I know I haven't shown you a lot of the process, but I got carried away. But anyway, right, let's show you the full reveal of it. Are you ready? Are you sure you're ready? Yeah? You want to see it? Are you sure you want to see it? Go on, let me know. Let me know. Do you want to see it? Okay. Okay then, we'll show you. Here it is. There's the table. And we'll come round to the sink with its new sink top. There we go. How's that then? That looking good? Hob. And the lift up unit. And there's the control panel. So I've made this into a single. I'll put the diesel heater down here so it's all nice and in line. It's not all cluttered around there. And our hot water switch I've moved from here and I've put down there. So, which I've shown you in earlier on in the video. Don't need to show you that again. So there you go. What do you think, guys? Do you like it? Put it in the comments below if you like it. So on that note, see you later.